In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Microsoft Copilot not showing in Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. If Copilot isn't appearing, it usually comes down to your account, updates, or settings not lining up, so we'll walk through a clear checklist to get it back. Start by confirming you're signed in with the right Microsoft account. Open Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. Go to File, then Account. If you see multiple accounts listed, sign out of all of them. Now sign in only with the account that has a Copilot-enabled subscription, such as Copilot Pro or an eligible business plan. Having extra accounts signed in can confuse the apps, so keep it to just the one licensed account. Next, make sure Microsoft 365 is up to date. Still in File, go to Account, click Update Options, then Update Now. Let the updates download and install, and restart the Office apps when prompted. Copilot relies on the latest builds, and outdated versions often hide the feature. If Copilot still isn't showing, refresh your Office license. Go back to File, Account, and look for Update License. If you see it, click it, then close and reopen all Office apps. This forces Office to recheck your subscription and frequently makes Copilot appear. On business or enterprise devices, your update channel matters. Copilot requires either the current channel or the monthly enterprise channel. If you're on the semi-annual enterprise channel, Copilot may not be available. In that case, ask your IT administrator to move you to a supported channel. Now enable the connected experiences Copilot depends on. Open File, Account, select Manage Settings under Account Privacy, and turn on experiences that analyze your content, as well as all connected experiences. Restart your Office apps afterward. These settings allow Copilot to work with your documents while respecting your privacy controls. If you've just purchased Copilot or had it assigned to your account, give it some time. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to a couple of hours for the license to fully propagate, especially on desktop installations. If nothing has worked so far, you can repair Office. Open Control Panel, go to Programs and Features, find Microsoft 365, select Change, then choose Online Repair. Let it complete and restart your PC. This resets core components and often fixes hidden issues that prevent Copilot from showing. After these steps, reopen Word, Excel, or PowerPoint and check the Home tab for Copilot. With the right account, current updates, proper settings, and a quick repair if needed, Copilot should be ready to help.